Well, besides local LLMs, we also have introduced some other really exciting features. Caleb, maybe you could tell us about some of the right-click features that we've added within VS Code.
Yeah, so we've kind of introduced a new set of features within VS Code and a couple other plugins, which we kind of have labeled Ask Pieces Copilot About. And essentially, what these features allow you to do is you can either, in VS Code, you can either right-click on a file in your file explorer, or you could select some code, right-click on it, and basically click the Ask Pieces Copilot About button. And what that is going to do is it's going to initialize a Copilot chat with that context that you just selected with your mouse, essentially. And really what this can do is it can make a very streamlined process of question answering about the content that's within your workspace as you're working. And it's all within VS Code. You don't need to go out and copy and paste code into ChatGPT and open up your web browser and do all this stuff in order to basically utilize these models. Pretty much with these features, it's very streamlined. You can stay in flow, and they're just super easy to use, really.
Yeah, and I know we'll jump into some demos. I know everyone's probably itching for that, but I'll just mention we've made a large effort to make sure that the models are powering copilots in all of our integrations. So Jupyter Hub, JetBrains, Obsidian, VS Code, etc. I know the Obsidian community is quite excited for some of this stuff. And to highlight some of the technical nuance there, this concept of continuous regrounding, right? So you have one model on your device that's running, but as you switch between your desktop app, your Chrome extension, and VS Code, you need to, in a very efficient way, kind of package up that context, send it to Pieces OS, and reground that model before the question is asked. And so it's a pretty smooth experience. And yeah, you'll see it in the demos. But Cole, where do we want to take it?